But let's get you up to speed first on oil. WTI crude up. Let's check it out, 6.5%. About an hour before the close, after OPEC producers announced major output cuts. Yahoo Finance's Ines Ferre here with the very latest. Hi there, Ines.
Hi, guys. Yeah, it is huge for energy stocks, for oil, what OPEC Plus announced today. If you take a look at our Wi-Fi Interactive, we're looking at XLE that's up 4.79%. It had been up around 5% earlier today. And some of the biggest players, let's take a look at the energy stocks here. You will see ExxonMobil up more than 6%, Chevron up 4%, Energy Total up 7%, or Total Energies, I mean, and also Shell up more than 5%. By the way, these are some of the trending tickers on our Wi-Fi Interactive page as well. So the energy stocks today are trending. They are soaring. Now, some would say that energy had been oversold. You had WTI at around $70 a barrel, less than $70 a barrel just a couple of weeks ago. So you could say that you are seeing a bit of a short squeeze when it comes to these energy stocks as the underlying commodity has risen today. Goldman Sachs is saying that they could see oil surging to $95 a barrel, up from 90 by the end of the year. Capital Economics is also saying that they could see an increase in oil prices to they're increasing their forecast to $90, up from $85. Guys.
Yeah, Ness, one of the things that Goldman Sachs did highlight in their note was the political aspect of this. And amidst all of this, the White House did respond to these output cuts, saying, quote, "We don't think cuts are advisable at this moment." We know that the Biden administration still has not refilled the strategic petroleum reserve, even when prices dip below $70 a barrel. What do you think this means just in terms of the rising oil prices, what it means for the U.S., and, of course, the Fed's fight against inflation?
Yeah, that's right. It's not great for the fight against inflation. As far as what some analysts see in this, they are saying that this OPEC Plus decision is a sort of geopolitical posturing because of that SPR that you were just mentioning that hasn't been refilled, when officials had said that they would want to refill when oil got to around $70 a barrel. But look, there's a couple takeaways here. One is that Saudi Arabia and other countries that are big exporters in oil, they depend on oil. They need to keep that price at a certain level because of their budgets, and the OPEC Plus is willing to make these cuts. And the assumption is that if oil goes down more, that they would be willing to even cut more, that they are willing to take these preemptive actions. Certainly not great for the relationship between Saudi Arabia and the U.S., but certainly some analysts are saying, look, they want to see oil. They would like to see Brent even at $90 a barrel, guys.
Indeed. Ines Ferre, thanks so much. Appreciate that reporting.